Oh, look, he went random. And Borealis is playing pit. Hey, look, he got Roy. That's pretty good.
3, 2, 1, go!
I need to see some Nair strings from both characters. $5 to whoever hit the Nair first. Oh, there you go. It's over there at the Monopoly board. Oh my lord. Oh man. Yeah, but first hit an air no up smash. Down into scare him into doing something. Never mind. But anyway, still relatively like uneven grounds. But again, I can finally get to. Oh, whoa, that was close. That thing has deceptively like no lag. Down the forward air. That's the Smash 4 special. Jerem! Never mind. He was. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, please don't die. Damn, that was fast. Oh my god, wow. Man, that sucks. What kind of edge guard? Man, couldn't do a ledge shot back air or something? Do a ledge shot back air, that probably would have been better. Oh, never mind. I think Nair would have hit. Can't Jared anything anymore. Oh my lord. No spike, no soft spike for you. Wow. Oh my god. Finally. 2 times at the hilt. Not really the hilt, but yeah, Nair strings. Woo! I was gonna say gonna read the tech chase on that, but it was close. Up the up air or down throw up air, sorry. That's a smash. That's that true Smash 4 special, the down throw up air. Yeah, it seems like everything connects to it, like depending on who your character is, and he just catches him landing with the up smash. That movie's not that good. It's just fast, I guess, but wow, meaty dash attack. What was the deal? Trump back air or what? Or just do something? That was not gonna do anything. Oh wow, calm out on the forward air, and too bad it doesn't have a hitbox. That was a super tight angle, though. Jer! He's starting to get the damage racking up, and it's like it's looking more unwinnable as it goes on. But in all actuality, Roy needs one decent-sized combo. There's no way. I was gonna say somebody was gonna get some mean things said to him if that first one killed. Somebody gotta say some mean things, man. This is dumb. Don't you think so, Captain Falcon?
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, now do the funny. Grab him and then nair him. Grab him, down throw, nair him, bro. Yes! Ew. And it was quote unquote double cool that he reverse kneed it. Or not reverse knee, just turn around and kneed. No way that was true. Stay back! And it actually just pushes him off. Okay, Nair into. Oh wow. I think was gonna set the jab block tech chase into something. Forward smash probably would have killed. Falcon kick? Never mind. Forward smash is very weird. It's a really strong move, though. But
Just grab it again.
Falcon actually has like 2 kill throws, I think.
What?
The what's it called? The melee players call that the Huggies diapers. Because he just hugs them. Yes. Old man, Captain Falcon. Ooh, when he dies off the top. I was gonna say woo, but he didn't dare. It's Borealis sucks. Had to take what he can get up there. Oh, tech rolls in, catches it, catches him with the upbeat. Oh wow,
Jeez.
Crazy tomahawk. Down throw. Can't believe that's still connected at that percent. Oh, ops for an up air? Not. I could have sworn that it probably. Well, I don't know. I don't know the character that well. Wow, almost got hit by. Almost got sent to the Shadow Realm with the F smash.
The Shadow Realm.
Yeah, either that or you get sent to Minecraft.
Yeah, that's true.
Like in the trailer where Sonic just sucks Mario into Minecraft.
Oh.
That move is not very strong. No, bro, you're supposed to do multiple backers like Charlie the King. That man loves backer. It's just funny. He's not dead because recovery's good. Of course he does. He wants to sneak a win. Well, you want to sneak a win any way you can. Even if it's unethical, it's still a win.
There's ethics involved in this.
It's like Falcon mains agree to the gentlemen's to never use up tilt. That's a real thing, by the way.
Oh, I believe that.
That was actually... Yeah, I don't know about the sweet spot, but the DI was crazy good and he still died for it.
Wow.
But that's fine. That is fine. Honestly. That is honestly very, very fine.
That's Palutena. Okay. I see SorB has a theme going on here. Going with Kid Icarus characters here.
Oh no, what's it called? Oddwan Palutena.
Oh.
This match was actually terrible.
Oh, never mind.
Well, not terrible, but like, not good. A 1000%. What he just said was true and real. If I have a move I can camp with against Kirby, I'm gonna camp this character out. I ain't letting Kirby touch me. What am I?
Ooh. Whiffed on that grab.
But in most cases, Palutena can't actually fight Kirby, so. Oh wow, I actually thought he was just gonna jump in there. Good use of the dash attack too, just to like explode. Whoa. Damn, imagine. Damn, imagine labbing out ledge cancels with the up B, but not having a neutral game, bro.
Ooh.
I think that just works. I think that's always just gonna work.
Oh, what?
Wow, that barely hit. Kirby's so short. Good thing that doesn't work anymore.
Oh my god.
Wow, he actually died. Oh my god, that DI was ugly. What in the world?
What was that?
Damn, you looking like every 1-2 Palutena I've ever met. And Borealis over here like, thank God I gotta fight Palutena. What happened?
Oh wow. Nice.
Let him get in there. I wanted him to edge cancel and then edge cancel again. That'd have been funny. And then he just gets hit by Kirby. It's the funniest thing.
Oh.
The no neutral game, neutral game. Gonna compete with the dash attack. Dead.
Ooh, nice.
Not good DI on it though. So okay, down throw, send him off. Doesn't matter. You just teleport everywhere. Oh my lord.
The whiffed.
He was at the juice world percent, 999.
What's it called? The dash attack does not have that much range. And the fact that Kirby pulls back is the reason he got hit. Wow, caught him the last freaking frame of explosive hit.
Wow.
You're still at a low enough percent. Now you're not. Man, this is what we do. This is what I like to do. I like to just talk to everybody
Uh-huh.
while they're playing their match.
Just distract him even more, huh?
I would say, if y'all taking this round robin serious at a 4-man, I swear to God. Or maybe you need to move me so I'm not so loud and distracting them.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be moving too much further if that.
All right, I'll move out of the frame.
Please.
Wolf. Hey, look, the neutral monster. Neutral machine here. Wolf. Uno. Go.
Ooh.
Look at that. Oh, wow. Didn't tech it and just got hit with the forward air. But he missed the follow-up. Oh, he started his jump. That was good.
Wow.
Wolf is just like, gets rewarded for walking and standing everywhere. It's crazy. And doing short hops everywhere, like, it's crazy. Okay, so check this out. He's gonna get hit with a forward smash. Right now. Never mind.
Oh.
Exploding out of the corner. Good TI, but still died. That's unfortunate.
Wow.
All right, narrow loops. Never mind. Too much rage and he DI'd away. So good weight on that.
He admits it.
No, I didn't. Hey, man, I didn't even have to say it. Oh well.
Oh, he still got that.
Yeah, Pit's recovery is pretty good. This doesn't have a hitbox.
Oh wow.
I think it's so far off, so far out, and so like, it's so like big.
Hmm.
So it's just like a two frame on the thing.
Jesus.
On the ledge like that. Down throw dash attack. Woo! Down throw dash attack. Never mind. 200%. Oh, I didn't realize he had like a good amount of rage. Hey, you saved him. Bro, please. I want a forward smash to happen. Forward smash actually has no lag. Back throw? Oh, he's still at a way too low percent.
Oh my god.
Dude,
Oh my
dude,
God.
I know what he wanted. I know what he wanted. And he tried to snap to ledge with that.
What is he trying to do? He's really trying to get that forward smash?
I don't think so.
He charged it twice and he got hit out of it twice.
He's still alive.
Does Wolf not have a reflector?
Wolf does, yeah.
Okay.
But it was just usually when you reflect something, it comes back at you faster.
Ah. Ooh.
You know, I'm surprised he's not doing the wolf special.
Oh,
He did jump
my
into
God.
it. I heard him say I jumped into it, and I was like, yeah, 100% he jumped into it.
Oh, wow. All right.
Hit him with the you look clean, ugly, like.
All right. Now they're up 2-2. Now the tiebreaker
yes,
game.
Last game.
Last game.
Last game.
Donkey Kong, really?
Monkey, fellow monkey.
Okay.
He does play every character. This is his fellow monkey right here. But it's funny, so. The neutral and the patience is just. But who sucks? Oh, look at that. Damn, I couldn't even do that.
What is he doing?
I think he tried to do too low percent, but he tried to do I don't know if he wanted to do sticky walk. I am not certain. I say you were dead, buddy. Nah, bro. Wow, his DH charges are like. I should do that more often. We bait people into coming in like that. Dash attack him. No, he didn't do it. The nooch. The nooch.
Oh, nice.
Nah, it's still too low percent. The sweet spot is like 66, I think. Oh, now you can edge guard him. Oh, but he ended up dying. Oh my God.
What is this? These two. What
Man,
is
y'all both suck.
I was about to say
Man,
that, like,
man,
I'm not even- I'm not
I
any better.
low-key enjoyed commentating this match, but you both suck. He did what was correct, but I think there was a better thing to do there, but that would have killed, by the way. I'm pretty sure it would have killed. I'm not sure if it wouldn't have killed with better DI. He might die. Never mind. Yes! He
what?
did the DK up B thing!
He actually broke out of it. What?
Hold down. It doesn't send the other way, though. Wow, he
What?
sucks. No, he's not dead.
What is?
Now, this is like extremely close. It's funny. You just gotta not do something
There it
stupid.
is.
No, it's not.
Oh!
I know when it should kill and when it shouldn't kill. It's like he's not at a high enough percent where it would kill center stage like that. Oh my lord! No way, no shot. Okay,
Come on.
I was gonna say.
What is this?
Oh my god! He's not gonna die though. He's not gonna die.
What is this? These two are insane.
He wanted a fourth throw. See? He wanted a fourth throw. Now he's dead. He wanted a fourth throw. Like, dude, he was standing there menacingly, and he wanted a fourth throw.
Wow. That was hilarious.
Well, you know what?